Hey guys, welcome to another video of programming projects. Guys, this video is for absolute beginners or a beginners programmer who want to develop their own personal portfolio websites and publish on the internet. So guys, I will show you my template website which will gives you the idea how to design your personal portfolio website professionally. So let's have a look to my this template website. Now I am going to open the index.html file which will open in the browser and show you the template website for your personal portfolio. And guys, this is our home page and this is our navigation bar and this is our logo. You can add your own logo. And guys, this is navigation buttons which will work. I will show you. And these are the languages and these are the social media links. So guys, let's see each and every section. This is about section and this is very attractive, you can see. And this is by service, you can add your own service according to you. And this is testimonials. And guys, some people says about my company or my websites. And this is guys plan section. You can add your own plans according to you. And guys, let's see another section. This is my resume section which includes my educational background and my experiences. And another, this is my skill. You can add your own skill here. And let's see the portfolio section. There is many design available which I have made, and you can add your own design here which is totally customizable. You can customize according to you. Guys, let's see blog section. In the blog section, you can add your own blogs into this website which interact the visitors. And this is a contact section guys. You can add your contact detail here and it's according to you. And guys, this is all about my second number of portfolio website. So if you want to uh, if you want source code, I will provide you in the video description. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. So thanks for watching.